Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cabbage egg fried rice. We will start by gathering all our ingredients. You will need 1 cup of fresh cabbage, 2 large eggs, and 3 cups of day-old cooked rice. Make sure to have your soy sauce, sesame oil, and a dash of white pepper ready. Preparing everything beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get cooking. First, heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large wok or skillet. Once hot, add your 2 whisked eggs and scramble them until they are just set and fluffy. Remove these cooked eggs and set them aside for later. Next, add your 1 cup of chopped cabbage to the same wok and stir-fry it for approximately 2 minutes until it starts to soften slightly. It is time to add the star of our dish, the rice. Introduce the 3 cups of day-old cooked rice into the wok with the cabbage. Use your spatula to break up any large clumps, ensuring the rice is evenly distributed. Continue to stir-fry for about 3 to 4 minutes, allowing the rice to heat thoroughly. Then, drizzle in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil, mixing everything together. For the grand finale, bring back those delicious scrambled eggs you set aside earlier. Add them into the wok with the rice and cabbage, gently folding them in until everything is well combined. To enhance the flavor, sprinkle in about 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper and give it one final stir. Your easy cabbage egg fried rice is now ready to be served and enjoyed immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.